Hi ladies and Gen Z. Oh my god, I have not said that in ages, but I'm going to show you how I made these cookies. So basically it was my sister's surprise birthday yesterday and my other sister put me in charge of making the dessert. As you guys know, I cannot bake, so I chose non-baking dessert. For these personalized cookies, you need these all butter biscuits from M&S, some ready to roll icing sugar, food dye, and some decoration. And also a personalized cookie cutter. I think my sister picked it up from Etsy, but there's further details somewhere in this video. So first what you're going to do, you're going to take the ready to roll icing and you're going to put some dye on it. Because our color theme was sage and pink, I went with some pink dye. Oh my god, the trials and tribulations I went through to get this pink, and it wasn't even pink, it was marbled because I could not be bothered. I spread some icing sugar onto the surface, then rolled out my icing. Don't want to roll it too thin, then the cookie cutter basically doesn't work. Oh my god, girlies, I had like 50 of these to do. This was the first batch and it took me like an hour to do. When I wasn't recording, it was quite quick. Ooh, these are the details for the cookie cutter. At first I was pressing too hard, but actually when I used a bit more of a lighter hand, the cookies came out so good. And everyone at the party was raving about them. They were like, these look so professional. And I was like, I know, I ate. I don't have to do this next part, but I wanted them to look extra special. So my sister was baking a cake, so I just used some of her leftover icing to stick these lovely cute little flowers on top. They just added a bit of zhuzh, you know, a bit of finesse. I did run out of the flowers eventually. It's okay, because I was able to mix them up with like non-flowered ones. And it just gave, you know. So apparently this biscuit thing is viral and my sister told me about it. The cookie cutter matches these exact biscuits from M&S. I basically used the sugar syrup to like stick the icing on. Some of the YouTube videos I watched, they did use jam, and another lady just used water, but that's kind of basic. Look at the surprise on my face when I knew I had done it. Like, I knew I ate. Like, look at my face. I was so happy. I don't usually do desserts because I'm not really good at that kind of stuff. I'm always cooking like a curry or something, you know. But these were a hit at the party. Everyone loved them and they looked so good. They went with the aesthetic. I added more white icing and made some lighter ones and some darker ones and just mixed them up, and they just look so good on the display at the party. I also made these Biscoff dessert parts and I'll show you how I did them in part 2. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.